all of these sides now are parallel with each other. In other words, this side here is parallel with this side here. However, this one here, as you can see, it's not going to be usable in this area, which means that probably this is the one I'm going to cut in half for the corkscrew, because I need two little handles for the corkscrew. And maybe this one here, that might be for the pizza cutter. I'm not sure. I'll know once I start turning them down a little bit. But the next step is to get the ends square. So I'm just going to pass it through the table saw and square up the ends. That way it's going to, fit on the lathe a lot better. Now I know I could have used the bandsaw for this, but when it comes to squaring up ends, I'm more used to the table saw. Now my thinking here is, if I already know that this section is useless, I may as well cut it off right now. Just cut it like here and here. Get rid of this piece and make blanks to accommodate these brass tubes. Now this blank that I have to make up is going to be kind of short, only as long as this brass tube is. And at this end it's going to be tapered down pretty small. And at this end it's going to be pretty big. Kind of the way my carpenter's pencil is. Small here, big here. So here we're at just a hair over 3/8 of an inch. And here we're about 5/8. Well, there's two things you should know. First of all, I was noticing that when I was using my table saw on this crabapple wood, it took a lot of pressure, which indicates a couple of things. First of all, my blade is finally getting dull. And second of all, that crabapple wood is extremely dense. In fact, I thought I even sensed that the motor was slowing down a little. It's funny I wasn't producing smoke. Anyway, I noticed when I was using my bandsaw, it took very little pressure to push the wood through, so I'm going to use the bandsaw here for this. And one of these days I'm going to make a proper sled for the bandsaw that'll help put little things through a little safer and a little easier, a little bit more accurate. Now my thinking is I should easily be able to find enough wood to make two blanks for this. As you can see, these blanks are considerably bigger than the largest part of this. And hopefully, out of what's left, I'll be able to get enough blanks to make at least two more Penzar ballpoint pens. You notice they take a very short little blank. I should easily be able to find enough wood there. Well, we'll see.